Leah, I'm about to do something very special for you today. I am going to fix the faucet on your sink.
Aww.
How long has that handle been loose? You barely even use that one on the right side.
No, I don't.
We did call somebody to come and try to fix it once or twice.
Yeah, and all he kind of really did was just put it back on, which is what we could have done.
Yeah.
The bathroom is kind of like my special little space too, you know?
Yeah.
And so I'm enjoying the fact that we get to give the bathroom some real TLC.
Yes.
And bring in the relaxation aspect of it too, you know, because it is a relaxing space.
It can almost be somewhat of a spa. Listen, I use it as my peaceful place. Just on the toilet. But you know what? Y'all didn't want to hear that. Y'all don't want to know anything about that. But I do think that along with the peace and serenity, my wife deserves a working sink. And we, with the help of Wayfair, we're going to spruce up the whole bathroom too.
Yeah.
And so we are going to do that today. I have no experience on how to change a faucet. So what's gonna happen, I don't know. I have never even looked underneath the sink. I'm doing this for my wife and that makes me a good man. So I figured the first thing I should do is actually look under the sink. Yes, I'm laying on the floor of my bathroom. That's where the connections are. So I just need to take stuff apart. That's my professional opinion. Then I should be able to put a new one on. Is that the way it works? Okay, let's see. Okay, maybe I should turn the water off first. Whoops. All right, I'm turning the water off now. I hope this is the right way to turn the water off. I think it is. Let me just test this thing out. Let me see if I turn it the other way. Water seems to be less when I turn it to the left. I was turning it to the right and I don't think that's it. It's definitely righty-tighty. That's the way. Whoops. Yeah, I didn't really realize how much water was gonna spray out of there. All I wanna do is put the new thing in, take the old thing out. I'm not switching any of the wires attached. I want it to be as simple as possible because this is not what I do. The bucket is almost full. All right, let me fix that. I'm basically flooding the house. We had to turn the water off to the entire house because this was getting out of hand. Oh my gosh. A lot of things have been learned, a lot of regrets, a lot of sweat, a lot of water wasted that I will eventually be paying for. But it looks nice, and that's what's most important, right? Now, I don't want y'all to doubt me, so just to prove that all this is legit, check this out. This was the broken one. Yeah, do both sides run? Yes. I'm a handyman. This was not an easy project, but along with these beautiful plants and the soap holders and all these extra little pieces we added in, there's also all of these towels that I had to use from having water drip down the bottom where these pipes are from not knowing what I was doing at all. All right, so our bathroom has a working sink complete for my wife. I am now I'm a good husband and I think I'm a handyman now with help.
I love the space. It's just a nice change. I think it's like wanting it to be functional and yet relaxing.
Yeah. Since we're already kind of drawn to those soft colors, like it was easy for us to choose that on Wayfair.
Yeah.
What are some things in your house that you let slide by with band-aid solutions and quick fixes? Ignoring an issue, no matter how small, only prolongs it. Sometimes it just makes the whole situation worse, okay? Sometimes you just gotta replace the faucet yourself.
That's right, yeah.
And that's what true love is all about.
Cool. What about ours? Is it gonna do it to ours?
No, y'all ain't getting a new sink.